It is unfortunate that young adults are not required to take a course on personal finance while they are still in high school. As a result, many graduates do not have the knowledge necessary to successfully apply for credit, create a budget with their earnings, and avoid falling into the trap of having excessive debt. Your prospects of having long-term financial success will significantly improve if you begin learning how to manage your finances at an early age in life. But what financial education do you need to learn? And how can you get it? Welcome to Abon V. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 8 steps young adults can take now to protect their financial health, start saving, and build wealth throughout their life. So stick to the video, keep watching, and let's dive in. Number 1. Use cash instead of credit. One of the most important ways to be in charge of your money is also one of the easiest. If you wait until you have enough money saved up, you can use a debit card instead of a credit card for all your everyday purchases. With a debit card, the money is taken right away from your checking account and there are no extra fees. A credit card, on the other hand, is a high-interest loan. Some credit cards have great rewards, and paying them off on time helps you build a good credit score. But it's important to use them to your advantage and not to the lender, who makes money off your bad habit of carrying a balance that charges interest. Don't always apply for every credit card you get, and don't carry more cards than you can keep track of. And always pay off the full amount when the bill comes. Number 2. Avoid bad advice by educating yourself. If you don't learn how to handle your money, other people will find ways to treat it badly on your behalf. Some of these people could have bad intentions, like shady financial planners. Others may mean well, but they might not know everything about your situation. For example, relatives may tell you that owning your own house is important, even though the only way you can afford to buy one right now would be to get a risky, adjustable-rate mortgage. Instead of relying on random advice from people who aren't experts, take charge of your financial future and read a few basic books on personal finance. Once you know what you're doing, don't let anyone steer you off course, whether it's a partner who drains your bank account or friends who want to go out every weekend and spend a lot of money. Number 3. Learn to budget. Once you start keeping track of how you spend your money, it can be a good wake-up call to see how much buying coffee from a barista every morning adds up over a month. Unlike a raise, which is largely up to your boss, small changes in your everyday costs, like making coffee at home, are completely up to you, and they can have just as big of an effect on your finances as a raise. Keeping your larger monthly costs, like rent, as low as possible can save you even more money over time. Even if you can afford a fancy apartment right now, choosing a simpler one and saving the money you have could help you buy a condo or house much sooner than your friends who pay high rent. Number 4. Start an emergency fund and pay yourself first. This easy thing to do can keep you out of financial trouble and help you sleep better at night. No matter how much you owe in student loans or credit card debt, or how little you make, there are ways to put at least some of your money into an emergency fund each month, even if you have a tight budget. Another benefit is that if you get in the habit of automatically putting money into savings, you will stop thinking of savings as something you can do or not do and start thinking of it as a monthly expense you have to pay. Soon, you'll have saved more than just money for emergencies. You'll have money for retirement, vacations, or even a down payment on a house. Number 5. Begin saving for retirement immediately. Just like your parents sent you to kindergarten to prepare you for a world that seems so far away, you need to start planning for your retirement now. Learning about the power of compound interest is a great way to get going in the right direction. Once you do, you'll see that it was smart to start your retirement fund as soon as possible. Compound interest is easiest to understand as interest on interest. This means that you will earn interest not only on the money you put in, but also on the interest the bank pays you for holding your principal. Compound interest makes your money grow at a much faster rate than simple interest, which is only based on the principal. Number 6, keep track of your taxes. It's important to know how income tax works before you even get your first paycheck. When a company gives you a starting salary, you need to figure out if it will give you enough money after taxes to pay your bills and, if you plan well, save for retirement and other goals. There are many online calculators like paycheckcity.com that make it easy to figure out what your salary will be after taxes. These calculators will show you how much you make in total, how much goes to taxes, and how much you make after taxes and other deductions. Number 7, protect your health. If paying your monthly health insurance premium seems impossible, what will you do if you need to go to the emergency room, where a single visit for a minor injury like a broken bone can cost thousands of dollars? If you don't have health insurance, don't wait another day to sign up. It's easier than you think to get into a car accident or trip on the stairs and fall. Getting healthy should be a responsibility, as it's a great idea from a financial point of view. Simple healthcare is easy to understand, and you've probably heard it all before. Eat fruits and vegetables, keep your weight in a healthy range, work out, don't smoke, don't drink too much, and drive defensively. You'll feel better physically right away, and these habits could also save you money on medical bills in the future. Number 8, secure your wealth. You should take steps right now to protect your hard-earned money so that it doesn't go away when you need it most. Even if you can't afford all of them right away, here are some smart things to do. Get renter's insurance if you rent to protect the things in your home from being stolen or burned down. Carefully read the policy to find out what is and isn't covered. Find a fee-only financial planner if you need help managing your money. They will give you advice that is not biased. A commission-based financial advisor makes money when you buy investments that their company backs. A fee-only planner, on the other hand, has no personal reason to give you financial advice. You should also keep your money safe from taxes and inflation. This is easy to do with a retirement account, and you can protect your money from inflation by making sure it earns interest. Learn as much as you can about relevant investments before you decide how to protect your savings. Each one has a different level of risk and a different chance of growth. Money market funds and high-interest savings accounts are two examples of relatively risk-free investments. Your money is safe, but it will grow slowly. On the other hand, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are a lot riskier. The value of your portfolio could go down, but it also has a much bigger chance of going up. Conclusion. Don't forget that you need a master's degree in finance or even special training to become an expert at managing your money. If you follow these 8 simple rules, you'll be on your way to financial security, which is the foundation on which the rest of your dreams can be built. Let us know in the comment section below how you plan on having good financial health. That's it for today. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.